Whenever I say site themes or Squarespace site themes to somebody, they often think, oh, it's a template. You know, if we think of Squarespace from yesteryear, you could switch between these templates. But now Squarespace is on a much newer version. Everything is built on the same template. And so people tend to get confused. What I'm really talking about with site themes is the styling of your site. So buttons, colors, fonts, all of this. So I want to show you in this video what it means, what it looks like, and how to do it. So let's jump in to an example site. So you can see we've got this, whatever this is, some dog site. So if I go into styles like this, you can see all of the site styles here. And by the way, if you want, you can click on this brush at any time, and that will take you to site styles as well. So we've got themes, we've got fonts, colors, buttons, text, forms, and then miscellaneous. So all of these you can actually change on their own. So if you just want to change one thing, you can go in and see what it's about. AI will also recommend, if you click on these parts, which is really nice, they'll recommend different types of styling for you, for your site. These are like quick access points. But if you want to change the themes, click on this. Squarespace AI is actually going to suggest different types of styles based on what they think would work with the site. So you can see professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, bold, quirky, and innovative. Just some of the words people use to describe me. I think I am most sophisticated, and I think these dog collars look very sophisticated. So let's click on this, and you can see it changes the fonts, the colors, the buttons, the forms, and it'll also change the miscellaneous parts as well. So let's see, that's looking good. But what I want to do is I want to change the colors. Now, actually, I don't, because I think Squarespace has done a great job here. But just for argument's sake, let's say I want to change the colors. I want a new Pantone. So let's click on this one. I like the maroon that they have there. Let's have a look. Okay, cool. Maybe now I want to change the buttons. So I'm going to click on this. And what do I want to do? Maybe put a border around my buttons. So click on this. Maybe click on this. Let's see. We can play around. Let's try pills. Okay, that looks good. But I want to go a little bit deeper. So I'm going to customize. And then you can see we've got 3 different types of buttons to customize: primary, secondary, tertiary. Click on primary. I can change the text within. So I'm going to select the title font because I think that looks better in the buttons. If we go back, I want to make it heavier. And then I can actually change the sizing and the spacing like so. Text transform. Maybe I want to make it uppercase. And there we go. I'm happy with the site theme. So I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to exit. And you can see we've gone from, the yellow site to a more, let's say, sophisticated site thanks to Squarespace AI. So if you want to change your themes, just know that it lies in site styles. You can see all of your things at a glance. So fonts, colors, buttons, and then forms and miscellaneous. If you want to do them all at once, click up top in themes. If you want to do them one at a time, you can click into fonts, colors, buttons, forms, or miscellaneous whenever you want. Hopefully, you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.